live as responsibly as you can. Live as responsibly as you can. For in Galatians chapter 6, verse 5 to 7, it says, "For each one should carry their own load. Nevertheless, the one who receives instruction in the word should share all good things with their instructor. Do not be deceived. God cannot be mocked. A man reaps what he sows." Pag meron ding krisis, ito yung panahon na dapat maging mas responsable tayo kung responsable ka na dati. O di naman kaya kung hindi ka talaga responsable, magising ka na sa katotohanan, ito na yung panahon na dapat maging responsable ka na. Hindi lang para sa sarili mo, kundi para sa mga taong umaasa sa iyo. O kung walang umaasa sa iyo, pero ikaw yung umaasa sa iba, yung maging responsible ka naman, nang mabawasan naman yung kailangan tulungan ng iba kasi ikaw ay nagiging responsible na sa buhay mo. Ang problema lagi sa Pilipinas, sa iisang pamilya, minsan, iisa o dalawa lang yung responsable. And then the rest become irresponsible. Kailangan lahat responsable. Kailangan lahat responsable. At lalo na sa panahon ng krisis, we need to live as more responsible as possible. Knowing that there are just so much uncertainties in the world today, at the very least, ikaw mismo, nagiging responsable ka sa iyong buhay.